Thank you, madam. Thank you. Now let me call the university toppers of our college. We got 3 university toppers. One is from electronics department and 2 is from information science department. May I now request our beloved chairman, Dr. Paramahamsa, to honor the medal. Department of Information Science and Engineering, Radha HS from 7th semester. Radha HS from 7th semester.
As Mr. Satyanarayana has to leave for another engagement, let us give him a big hand and thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Now I call upon
continue with the presentation ceremony. Now we have the prizes for the cultural events. I request Dr. K.N. Narasimhamurthy, Professor and Head, Information Science Department, to give away the prizes.
Good evening to one and all. I'll request Professor Shantakumar, former principal of AMC, I'll request her to come on the dais, sir. Please, sir. Thank you, sir, for coming all the way to grace our function. So now I'll call upon the winners of that cultural activity. I'll request Madam Uma Devi to give away the prizes. So the event name is Cooking Without Fire. The winners of this is Apurva and Manasa of IS department. Singing Filmy, the winners are Amit Chandra of IS department. And the runner is Ajay Shastri of CS department. Singing runners are Shamanta and Shruti, combined IS and CS department. Antyakshari Kannada, the winners are CS department. And runners are Nikhil and team of MBA department. Dumb Charades, the winners are Bharat, Vijay, Kiran and Nagadarshan of CS department. Runners are Arshita, Romana and Yasir of CS and Mechanical Engineering department. Antyakshari Hindi, the winners are Neha Chauhan and its team of IS department. The runners are Shatabdi and team of EC department. Quiz, the runners are Suhas, Vishwas and Vikas of CS department. And runners are Raju and Venki of CS department. Pick and Arc, the runners are Sumant B of Mechanical Engineering department. The runner is Mechanical Engineering department. Essay Writing Kannada, the runner is Sumant B once again. And the runner is Shashi Kumar of Mechanical Engineering department. air styling. The runner is Ashar of mechanical engineering and Mukunda of EC department. Mimicry, once again, Sumant from mechanical engineering department and the runner is Nitin Sheth, mechanical engineering department. Sudoku, the runner is Srihari H from EC department and the runner is Kiran SB from EC department. Painting, the runner is Nitin Sheth from EC department, mechanical engineering department and the runner is Hemant from CS department. Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam. To give away the prizes for essay writing English, the winner is Alok Jha of mechanical engineering department and the runner is Uma Shilpa of EC department. Pick and speak Kannada. The runner is Sumant B. Winner is Sumant B and runner is Radha Swati of IS department. Pick and speak English. The winner is Sumant B of mechanical engineering department and the runner is Kanika Rathore from CS department. College, the winner is Apurva and Manasa of IS department and the runner is Anu Ashok and Rashmi of CS department. Mehandi, the winner is Sayeda of CS department and the runner is Sunaina of IS department. Poetry, Kannada, the winner is Sumant B, mechanical engineering department and the runner is Swati KD of EC department. Poetry, English, the winner is Surya Prakash Rao BS of EC department and Sujoga Dutt. The runner is Sujoga Dutt and the Rangoli. The winner is Arpita and Sarita of CS department and the runner is Uma Shilpa and Sri Krishna of mechanical and EC department. Yes, sir. Thanks, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now I call upon Mr. Dr. Rajsekhar, sir, to give sports prizes.
Check.
Great evening to all of you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you all know that our country is cricket frenzy. But just few days back, we come to know that our college too is cricket frenzy. Total about 30 men's teams, 16 women's teams, 2 staff teams. In total, 729 people played cricket, including women. Imagine. This is a storm. I'll come to the storm at the end. I'll start with a drizzle of praises. I request our AIMS Engineering College Principal Dr. Srinivas to kindly come out to the dais and give away a few praises. Sir, Srinivas, sir. And we start with a small drizzle. Carom singles, Sidling Kuri, EC fourth year. Second place, Manjunath N, fourth year EC. Women, Carom singles, Sweta, first place. Third year CS, Pallavi G, fourth year EC. Please make it fast. Short of time, we are running in a fast. Caroms doubles, Sidling Kuri, Vinay Patel, EC fourth year. Second place, Chandrasekhar and Rajshekhar. Ladies and gentlemen, maybe the most brainiest man of CEC, chess, first place, Bharat Kumar. Second place, Mohammad Ziaul Haq, MBA second year. Well, the fastest man of CEC, Likit, third year CS. Second, Nitish Bhatt, mechanical, fourth year. Fastest woman, 100 meters running, Sanjana, third year EC. Second place, Pallavi, fourth EC. Thank you, sir. I request our AMC College Principal, Dr. Srinivas, sir, please kindly come out to dais and give away a few prizes which our students are honored. Table tennis, Bharat BJ, thank you, sir. Fourth CS, first place, Suhas, fourth year CS second. Table tennis doubles, Suhas and Bharat, CS fourth year. Ritvik and Vinit, EC first year. Well, you all might have heard bike racing. We have a slow bike or slow track, the slowest bike rider for women, Varsha, second year IS. Second place, Rashmi, second year CS. Boys, Sharat, first place. Second place, Saeed Lame, second year EC. And the next, that may be at the end, Harsha, ball badminton. And the strongest men with foot, winners of football, mechanical, Shaman, Rakshit, Sanoon, Sanju, Mukesh, Wagesh, winners. And the runners are Rahul, Santosh, Deepak, Syed, Suhas and Karthik of IS. Thank you, sir. I request Dr. Prakash, Corporate Office, to kindly come out to dais and give a few praises. Director, please, sir. Puneet, Murali, Bhuvan, Satish, Suresh, Praveen, Bharat and Abhishek. And runners-up, second year EC, Santosh, Mahesh, Kumar, Kiran,